Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today's topic is all about what's coming ahead in terms of your career and love. Okay, this is a timeless reading, so it resonates from whenever you see this. All right, so let's get into this. And I'm telling you, this is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Don't try to fit yourself into it. Okay, so let's go ahead, pick a pile. There are two piles for you. You can pick any one of them. Pause the video, you know, see which is being pulled towards you. This is for pile number 1 and this is for pile number 2. I hope you guys have paused the video and selected the one which is being drawn to you. So if you're being drawn to both of them, you can watch both the videos, or else you just can skip, watch the second one or else the first one. So let's go ahead and start with the reading now. Hello my dear pile number 1. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in terms of your career and in terms of love. For singles, it's for everybody. Okay, whoever is committed also can watch this video, and this is for career and this is for love. So let's get started. Let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in terms of your career. Is there any changes or is there any new beginning? Whoa. 3 of Swords. Recently, I guess somebody has come out. What's gonna come in terms of career? Probably you guys are really exhausted with your work, or your boss not treating you well. Okay. Ooh, guys, I see this has been really a burden for you. This job, current job, wherever you are, you're just mentally stressed a lot and feeling a lot of exhaustion in this. There are people who are trying to just put you down and not really helping you out in the work or training you in your work. So I see that you are gonna get like 3 different you know job opportunities from 3 different companies. So if you're looking forward to leave this job, please leave. Don't be sad that I've been working since long and this happened or that happened, but go ahead and apply for the jobs right now and be ready to give a resignation letter for your current job, because I see that there are 3 job opportunities that is going to come ahead for you, which is pretty well stable, and you will be pretty happy in this. Okay, any the 3 of job, if you select, I see you guys being way happy. You will have your peace of mind, and I see one of them could be a remote job for most of you. Okay, you might be sitting and working from the home in your comfort. So wherever, whatever you're gonna go through in any of these 3, I see it's gonna be a lot of blessing for you, because you will not suffer the same negative things that you have suffered over here. See that you could be working hard but you are not getting results as per your work, or could be people are not seeing how much you work, and it's all about the politics in your workplace. Let's see what else is coming ahead for you in terms of the job. Wealthy man, courtship, great fortune, guys. Definitely, as I've told you, you deserve better. So this was just a phase to go through for you guys. So whatever current situation is, the stagnant situation is, take a lesson from this. Know where you have to settle and where you have to not tolerate things like this. So I see whoever your boss is gonna be a very good person who is gonna be a very good mentor for you. And I see you being more wealthy, having all that stability in finances, and I see you growing like abundantly. So definitely universe is gonna be on your side this time and gonna shower you with lot of unexpected gifts. So be ready for that, guys. And this is timeless. So whenever you're watching this, it starts from then, or it will resonate from then. Okay. So I see somebody could be taking a legal action towards something. It could be, you know, in buying something big, like could be a plot, or someone you have to get. I see something related to the court case over here. If you're fighting or it's been in the stuck long, you know, there's something regarding to that. But this is for very few people. Okay, so the resonating dates for you is 13, 26, and 23 of the any of the month. I see, you know, there's a time when you will see something new and a big and a great opportunity taking place. So let's see what guidance you guys need to hear for this current situation. What my spirit guides want to say you. What is guidance for pile number 1 in terms of career? See, guys, I've told you, you know, you have to stop taking your life so seriously. It is not the one. The company that you're thinking about, you know, is not thinking about you even for a 0.1% also. So just stop all this. If it's not serving you well, if it's causing you so much toxic environment, just leave it. Ask for a help, you know, for another company. If you want to join, if you're seeing for any other company, just go ahead, just email some HRs, you know, that you find on LinkedIn or any job portals, and just ask for a help, you know, or whoever is working in that company. And if you get to meet this person, so just ask for a reference. So don't you know, sit and cry over thing that has not served you well. Just take a break, pack your bags, go travel, have a good vacation, then come back to join the work wherever you want to work. That is the one best self-care that you can do to have a best relaxation out from this work life. Let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in terms of love. So first, let's see about singles. This is for singles or people who are in a separation. So this is for them. Let's see what's gonna come ahead for pile number 1 in terms of love. Oh, I see. Okay. So what's up with you guys? There is 3 of Swords over here in terms of your career, also in terms of your love life. Also, I see that both the things are so much fucked up in your this. Anyway, probably you guys have kept yourself away from all this. You know, you have come from a recent breakup, a really bad breakup. Could be your person have cheated on you, or you just had a very toxic relationship from somebody, very narcissistic person, whoever was there. So I see you getting out of this relationship, and I see you guys have just isolated yourself, being to yourself, and I see that most of you have learned a lot in your love life, I could say, because of this breakup and stuff. I see you guys are learning lessons from it, why it's going, where it's going wrong. And I see you guys are highly spiritually, you know, you are into spirituality, I could say. So you guys are very wise, mature, and this was some phase that you are meant to go through, guys. So it's fine, and I see it's gonna come to an end very soon. I see that this relationship has made you see your shadow side, and you have realized a lot, as I've told you already with this card, that I see you being changing things and you are analyzing on the things. So that's what it is, again repeating with this message card, that you have realized a lot in this and you have done it for the good, guys. It is what you were meant to, you know, go through. But things are not you know, anymore the same, and this cycle is not going to repeat for you. I see it's going to be way more better for singles. So yeah, if you're in a separation, this is a new person who is going to come. 3 weeks, 4 weeks and 10 weeks, this is the timeline. Okay, 3, 4, 10 will be the dates of any month that you will be meeting. So yes, Don't cry over this person. It's time for you to move on. Better things are coming ahead for you, and whoever is gonna come, it's a long term, guys. Remember, it's a long term for you. So that's it, and let me pull out advice card for you from Spirit. Let's see what Spirit message is there for you. Believe in yourself. Let go of this emotional baggage. It's time for a vacation. Take a vacation. Go. It could be you in terms of love or in terms of your career. Both people need to release this emotional baggage. I see you guys overthink a lot, go through a lot, is going through a lot. Okay, you guys could be highly water signs. This is for few of you. You can be Scorpio, you can be Pisces, Cancer, and for few I'm sensing they could be Aquarius also. So it's fine, it's all right. Okay, for few I feel you are Libras right here. So believe in yourself, guys. There are better things coming ahead. Just this phase is bad doesn't mean your whole life is ruined. Okay, just it's not always like you can be happy and it's gonna be a very good time, right? You need to balance with all good and bad. So it's fine. Okay, there are better things coming for you, and it's the sign. This bad time is a sign that there is something better ahead for you. You just have to pass this test that's been given for you, and the way you have to pass is by learning the lesson from this. That's it. So believe in yourself, let go of this emotional baggage, just take a vacation, go away, go somewhere, have fun, and then just see how your this is gonna get better career and your love life is gonna get better after November 29th. Okay, I don't know, I heard 29th, so it could be any of the months 29th, not just November 29th, but 29th later after 29th. So that's it, guys. If you like my reading, if please do subscribe my channel, and you can always ping me up for a personal reading. There is a link on the description, so you can go hit the link and then reach out to me for a personal reading. And yes, bye bye. Hello, my dear pile number 2, whoever has chosen this cute blue pen. So let's see what's gonna come ahead for you in terms of your career. This card talks about the career, and this is about the love. So let's go ahead and see what's gonna come ahead for you in terms of your career life. Let's see what's coming ahead for you in terms of your career life. What's gonna come ahead for you in terms of your career. King of Coins. Oh my God, King of Wands. Oh my goodness. What a blessing energies. The Fool. I see there is a brand new beginning coming for you guys in terms of your career. This is a very stable, it could be in terms of your finances or anything. If you're searching a job, you're definitely gonna get a job. During the summertime. Okay, this is for those whenever you're watching this, and during the summer, I see you getting this job. There is a new beginning, but you have it. It could be that you have to take a risk for this, but yeah, do have a leap of faith and take a risk. I see it's gonna be successful for you. Okay. And I see there is a lot of opportunities that's going to come ahead for you in next 7 months or 7 weeks or in 7 days. I see you can be getting a lot of opportunities by different companies, because there is this see, it's coming, right? So there is something that a news is coming for you, a very happy news. And if you guys are thinking about starting up a business, I see that you guys are planning on something. Could be a business startup of your sari, of something creative arts, or something very beautiful and creative. It could be a wallpaper or a digital marketing as such. So whatever you're planning, a business on this, then definitely go ahead. I see you getting more success and growth in this. I know you're well, you've got a proper clear, figured out with all the things, and you have a right clarity and an insight about what to do, that this, but you are not taking an action. But now I'm telling you, it's a time for you to take action to find this success, and I see that definitely you're gonna have success. It could be anything, guys, any of your startup, mainly I see with these things, okay. And it could be you are going to do a, you want to open up a YouTube, or you want something to do on your social media, or it could be something related to the eco-friendly things with the earthly, what do you say, eco-friendly products, all these things. If you're planning, then I see it going to happen. I see you being wealthy enough and stable enough. So let's see what else is there for you in terms of your career. It's gonna come ahead for pile. Oh, again for you guys also it's the same repeated. So you are gonna get what you're expecting for. There is expectation, there's a great fortune. Whatever you're expecting, this is your time for manifestation. Whatever you're expecting, you're gonna get that, guys. You are gonna manifest whatever you want. There's a very nice card that I've got, so I definitely see you guys see there's a sudden wealth. So I definitely see for most of you, you are gonna get that sudden wealth. It could be that you can hit a jackpot in something that you're playing, if you're into casino, whatever it is. And if this is not for people who are in the India, it's for out of India who wants to go play this casinos. So I see a sudden wealth coming. This could be your stuck money that you have been waiting for you to receive. So that it could be that sudden wealth, or it could be that you have got some lotteries and you have been waiting for the lottery to pop up for you, and it could be that, or it could be that if you are invested in a stock market and you can see you are going to trade well in it. So whatever you are going to expect, I see you getting that, and this time is full of money, abundance, prosperity and stuff for you guys. So whoever puts hard work into it, whoever is going to put an action into it, you will see the growth, guys. You are definitely going to see the growth. So let's see what is going to come. Sorry. So let's see what is guidance for you. Seems like there's a lot of guidance for you. What guidance do you have for pile number 2? Oh, see, I was just saying you, the best is yet to come. The best is yet to come. That's what I meant by this sudden wealth. So I see this is the situation will end up in celebrations, guys. So don't worry, whoever has been putting hard work and who's not been seeking the results, you are gonna seek it now. Okay, so you, whatever it is, it's going to end up in celebration, and I see that the only best things are going to come ahead for you in terms of your career, and this is going to be a very long term. If you have been waiting for something, a promotion or a job, a better job with a high CTC, then everything is going to be manifesting for you. Do manifest, keep your energy aligned, your vibrations high to this, and I see you receiving this like boom. In terms of your career, it's gonna be completely changed for you. Now, anyways, there is a win-win chicken dinner in this career. Let's go and see into your love life. How is it gonna be for you overall? Let's get into your love life right now. This could be for singles, for people in separation, and for those who are already. So let's see what's going to come ahead for you in terms of your love. Oh, there is some new beginning. I see that somebody has recently come out of their past relationship, has thought of moving on, and I see you all, few of you have already moved on and few of you are in between and still confused if your ex comes back, or how you're going to react, or would you go back or not. So there is a little bit confusion, but I see there is a new beginning in love, and whatever is going to come, this is going to be a long-term love for you. This offer is going to be a long-term, but this is pretty slow, guys. So but what is long-term is going to come a bit slow. I see there is someone who is a very who is like a childish energy, but they are planning to message you. You can hear out from them. I think you might know this person. They are in and around you. Could be your friend. So I see, you can they can reach out to you. They can confess their love to you. There is a sudden change for you guys. Whoever is going through a toxic relationship or is very single since so long and have been manifesting for someone, and if you are looking for a commitment from someone, and those who are looking for a marriage, who is looking for a future, suppose I see there is a sudden energy shift for you guys, and this is gonna go for good. And I see a brand new offers coming up for you, so love life is also gonna be a lucky one for you. So definitely whoever is going to reach out will give you commitment, will give you a long term, you can get married with this guys. You guys can get married. And definitely this is a very kind, generous, and down to earth person. I see they are very wealthy and very creative. They have a really good adventurous. This also, like, they are someone who likes going on adventures, or they are very fun loving, smart people. So this is the energy. This is highly earth and fire signs. Okay, so I'm hearing Taurus. So could be Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and only earth I'm hearing Taurus. Okay, so let's see what else. What else? For those who are in relationship, what else for them? Spirit guides, for angels, please let me know what else for the one who are in a relationship. I see that you guys have to share feelings. Okay, your feelings, whatever you're feeling about a person. If your person is acting like a cold-hearted and is not listening to you in relationship, guys, this is for those who are in relationship. Your person is acting cold-hearted, and if they're not listening to you, they're talking, they're taking this relationship very practical basis and logical basis, then I see that there is a little bit communication needed in between you guys. You guys have to share things, how it is going, how are you feeling, how it is hurting or impacting you, how their attitude is impacting you. I see that you need a weekly flesh, like, of sharing out the things. Sometimes, taking a time and talking about if you are hurting this person, or if is there anything that is making you feel bad about me, or am I hurting you regarding to anything. So I would suggest you guys to sit and talk, because for few I see that things might be a lot toxic in your relationship. Could be because of a third party presence over here, or mostly many of you don't know, as I've told you, there is some secret hidden over here. So there is a extramarital affairs also going on for very few of you, and you have not been talking about it. So please talk, please let this know. And this is for very few, okay guys, very few. See, there is a deception. I see that somebody is being dishonest over here when it's coming to relationship. I'm getting again and again the same card, that someone is wearing mask. Okay, someone is not being honest with you. They are very deceptive. So please, I would say you to take a time apart and talk to your person. Try knowing if something is going on with them or not, and once get it resolved. If you feel that the love between you guys is going off, it's not as excited as before, and you don't see it happening like before. But whoever, my singles and people who are in separation, I see you meeting this person within next 10 weeks, within for few within 1 month, for few within next 6 weeks. So this is your time frame, guys. And let's see what else do you have in terms of love. What else do my pile number 2 has in terms of love? Oh, ouch. So I see that you have to take care, and somebody is feeling burdened here with responsibilities, or will be. So somebody is burdened with responsibilities, and somebody knows that they have to be taking responsible, trying to be responsible, want to be responsible. I see there is both one good and one bad thought over here. Okay, so whoever is thinking of being responsible, finally, happy realization, congratulations for you. Let's see what else. Self love, guys. Whoever is single, I want you to heal yourself, or whoever has come out of a separation, a situation, or a breakup, I want you guys to heal yourself. Only then you can attract your soulmate or a person or your future, suppose, because until and unless you're in a dark aura, you can't, expect any good blessings coming in towards you, because you're not in that magnetic vibration at all. So be in a good this, do some self love so that your vibrations are high and you can attract what you want. So self love is much needed, healing is much needed, or else you will attract the same cycle again and again, and you'll be going in the same loop, guys. So don't do that. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. So I think that some people over here are still stuck with their past. So that's what I've told you. Could be some people have not moved on and are still thinking to move on, and they are stuck. So it's an sign for you guys to move on, because there is brighter things over there. Okay, let go of this what hurts you. There's no point carrying a burden. There's no point carrying a hurt, and waiting for the same person, and then when you fight, you will again repeat that past occurrings and past situations and make it more worse for you guys. So on and off will spoil your energies. So it's better, guys, that you move on. Let's see what is there for you, like what message do spirit guides want to give you, basically what guidance do spirit guides want to give you. And it's the overall guidance, guys, it's not just for love. Oh, see, as I've told you, energy disbalance. If you do this on and off, there is an energy disbalance. You're waiting for a person, there is an energy disbalance. Sorry. If you're having frequent fights, then yeah, again, it's an energy disbalance. There's a lot of energy disbalance that's happening with you currently in terms of a love. I feel this is for most of you. So egoistic approaches, so please don't fall into this, guys. Please, no to it. And abundance, definitely in terms of your career, you are going to be blessed with abundance, and this is something very, very major. Whoever has chosen file number 2, there is a lot of abundance on your way. But coming to your love life, please know your limits, please put the boundaries, because or else you are gonna be in the same toxic loop, goal. So please know your limits, your value, respect yourself, do some self-love, because there is something better for you in love too, but you're just not letting that energy to come. Oops, sorry. Forgive and forget, guys. Forgive and forget, and let the better things come your way. Let the better things happen to you. Learn to forgive and forget, and you will master this. Okay, so that's it. If my reading has resonated, do subscribe me. And if you want a in-depth personal reading, you can always reach out to me. On the description there is a link. Please fill up the form, and then yes. So that's it, guys. For more such readings, do keep following, like, share and subscribe. I'm so grateful to you. Love you all. Bye bye.